Now, this is the operational steps of that component. So these are the few remaining steps of that component. So please jot down these steps also. Now, can anyone tell me how to find out the volume of this component? So let us go back to the drawing. This is our drawing. All the dimensions are in mm. Can anyone tell me how to find out the volume of this component? So how to find out the volume of this component by hand calculation? Yes, can anyone tell me how to find out the volume of this circular component? Okay, how to find out volume? Forget about this component. What is the formula to find out the volume? Right, area into length. That is how you find out the volume of any component. Now, what is the area of shaft? Pi by 4 into d square. So pi by 4 into d square, that is how you find out the area of the shaft. Now, considering this equation and applying this equation on this component, how you will find out the volume of this step shaft?
4 into d square into length.
That is the volume, but how you are going to write the equation for this component? Now, how to find out volume? So that is pi by 4 into d square into L. This is the basic formula to find out the volume of the shaft. Okay. Now, in this case, if you consider we have 3 diameters. So I will take pi by 4 as common, and I'll convert all the dimensions into centimeter. Because if you see the density of the component is gram per centimeter cube. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will add 2 mm clearance on every side. So I will be adding 2 mm clearance on every diameter, and then I will be adding the 2 mm clearance along the length. So what will be the first diameter in this case? First diameter is 96. If I add 2 mm clearance on the diameter, that will become 100 mm, and the length will become 60 mm. Okay. So we'll take as 10 square into 6 plus the next diameter is 76. So we will add 2 mm clearance. So that will become 80. We'll convert into centimeter. So that will become 8 square into 4 plus the next diameter is 56. We will add 2 mm clearance in that. That will become 60 mm. So it will convert into centimeter. We will getting 6 square into 4. Okay. Minus. As on the screen, you can see there is a pilot hole already in this component. So again, taking 2 mm clearance. Okay. So we will say that the hole is 26. So it will become 2.6 square into total length is 14. So total length is 14. 40 plus 60. So that will become 140. Okay. Tell me what is the volume in centimeter cube?
Yes, 11.06 centimeters.
711.06 centimeter cube. Okay. Everyone please verify whether you are getting the same volume or not. Now, what is the next step? Is that we have to find out the net weight of this component. So how to find the net weight of this component? So the net volume of the component into density of the component. Now we have the net volume with us. We also have the given density with us. So please tell me what is the net weight of the component in kg?
5.546 kg.
5.546 kg. Very good. Okay. Now next is process scrap. Now what is process scrap? When we are going to machine the component, there will be some unwanted material that has to be removed from this component during machining. So that is called as a scrap. So we have considered that the process scrap of this component is 20% of the net volume of the cast component. Okay. So tell me what is the process scrap of this component. Once you convert the process scrap in volume, also tell me what is the process scrap weight. So tell me what is the volume of process scrap and what is the weight of the process scrap? So first tell me what is the volume of the process scrap. One, how much?
142.21.
And what is the weight of process scrap?
1.109 kg.
1.109 kg. Okay, very good. Now this is the scrap that will be generated from the component. Next, let us find out the total material required for this component. So this will be the material that will be required to procure from the market for the machining of this component. So how to find that? That is net weight of the cast component plus weight of the process scrap. So what is that? Please tell me.
6.15 kg.
6.15 kg. Okay. Now let us see what is the cost of this component. So what is the cost of the component? That is the total metal required for the component into the cost of the metal per kg. So I have already given the cost of molten metal in your given data. So please tell me what is the cost of this component now.
It's 123.
Now let us tell me what is the process return value. So what is the process return value? So when you will sell the scrap to the vendor, he will give the return on that scrap. So how to find out that? That is a process scrap weight into scrap return value. So already the scrap return value is mentioned in your data. So please tell me what is that? 6.654 INR. Okay. Now let us find out material cost per component. So what is material cost per component? That is cost of the metal poured minus process return value. So you will get the exact cost of the component.
116.35 rupees.
Let us find out the next process cost. So this is called as a operational cost of the component. So factory cost per component. Factory cost per component means you have to find out the machining cost of the per component. So it is find out that is material cost per component plus total labor cost plus shop overheads. Now let us go back and find out how to find out the labor cost. Now how to find out the total labor cost? So you have to convert this cost into INR. So how to convert this? So that is 20 into machining time for molding and pouring is 5 divided by 60 because it is in hour. So you have to convert all the values of labor cost per hour into INR. So then tell me that what is the total labor cost. Convert every labor cost per hour into INR and add all the three labor cost for all the three operations and tell me what is the final value. Similarly, you will be doing for the shop head also. So shop head will become 60 into machining time divided by 60. For all the three activities, add them and tell me what is the total labor cost and total shop head cost.
326, sir.
That is a labor cost.
Yes, sir.
And total shop overhead.
11.666.
Okay, okay. Add all the time also. That is 5 plus 5 plus 6. So that is 16 minutes. Okay. Let us go to the process cost. Okay. Now tell me what is the factory cost per component. 31.33, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now find out the administrative overheads. Administrative overheads, these are the office overheads of the company. So total machining time is 16 minutes as we have calculated right now. So tell me what is the office overheads. 30 rupees into 16 divided by 60. This will go. It has to be 8 nare. 8 rupees. So find out what is the sales overhead.
26.43.
Now find out what is the profit.
Same 26.43.
26.43. Okay. Now finally tell me what is the selling price of this component.
193, sir.
193. Okay. ड्रॉइंग काढून घ्या पुढचा डेटा लिहून घ्या झालंय?
Yes, sir.
ओके. आता याचं कॉस्ट मॉडेल जसं मागचं होतं तसंच आहे. So I'm giving this problem as homework to everybody. So this is a similar